Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your earbuds, the REALME Buds T200 Lite. You have to start by open REALME Link application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them as a device list. Tap at your earbuds, and right here at the first line we have Equalizer mode. Tap at this line. Here is 4 presets what REALME offer for you, so you can select the best one for you. Let's say Bass Boost. Just click at the best one, and now we use this one. You can also select a custom preset if you made one for you or two. Also by just tap at your preset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!